Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from Optimal Health Network, and I want to talk about the fantastic herb Gymnema, which is in the milkweed family, actually. I find that Gymnema is excellent at reducing sugar cravings, is anti-diabetic, actually changes your relationship to how sugar tastes. And I use it often when I see a high calcium to magnesium ratio on the hair tissue mineral analysis. It's really excellent at helping people lose weight. It's often part of a hormone optimizing protocol, and it doesn't need to be used long term. I find that even one or two bottles can change one's relationship to sugar, and therefore assist in optimizing one's health. So, if you need any support around weight loss or carbohydrate cravings, or if you're struggling with diabetes or any kind of insulin issues, do reach out to us at optimalhealthnetwork.com. You can call us at 608-242-0200 or text us, and we would love to assist you with optimizing your health. I also do consultations and can set you up with a personalized program. Thank you.